Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pool test kits that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Taylor Technology Complete Test Kit. Taylor Technology's K2006 Pool Test Kit earned our number 1 spot because of its reputation for accurate results. By using a combination of titration, reagent chemicals, and color match tests to find out the levels of various chemicals present in the water, this test helps you keep your pool balanced so that the water is crystal clear all summer long. This pool test kit is comprehensive and lets you test for free chlorine, the amount of chlorine available to kill off bacteria, total chlorine, pH, acid and base demand, hardness, total alkalinity, and stabilizers. In addition to the reagent set, you also get a printed color chart and a waterproof guide, plus a circular water treatment chart to help you adjust the chemicals where needed. We also like that the instruction guide on the inside of the carry case is color-coded to match the colors of the reagent bottle lids for easy reference. Moving on, at number 4, we have the US Pool Supply Standard 3-Way Swimming Pool and Spa Test Kit. Although this pool kit is pretty basic and doesn't come with tons of bells and whistles, we still think it's the best one to buy if you need to test your pool or hot tub for chlorine, bromine, and pH levels on a budget. Each kit comes with 2 1/2-ounce liquid dropper bottles and a water testing block with a color measuring chart for checking chemical levels. There is also a user guide, so you'll know exactly how to do a proper pool test. When you're ready to start, fill the test tubes with pool water and add a few drops of the solution you want to test for. Then put the cap on the test tube and gently shake it. After a few minutes, check the results to see if your pool is safe to swim in. At number 3, we have the Sutro Pool and Spa Smart Monitoring Device. The Sutro Pool and Spa Smart Monitoring Device is a splurge-worthy option because it takes away the stress of having to balance your own pool. No time-consuming pool water extractions or liquid drop tests are needed for this digital tester. Just drop it in your pool or spa and let it do the work for you. In addition to the hefty upfront price tag, there is a monthly subscription fee to use the kit with an app. You have the choice between a basic or premium subscription. Premium has the added benefit of a weekly water health report and monthly consultations with a pool expert. With both subscriptions, you'll receive water testing readings 3 times a day and monthly cartridges shipped to your door. At number 2, we have the LaMotte ColorQ 2X. The LaMotte ColorQ 2X is the best choice if you prefer to do pool maintenance yourself. Though it has a hefty price tag compared to traditional pool test kits, it's still less expensive than our best splurge pick, and it has some features that might make the price tag worth it depending on your needs. Each kit consists of liquids and tablets to test free chlorine, total chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, calcium hardness, and cyanuric acid. The kit also includes a Bluetooth ColorQ photometer that gives you a digital readout of your test results. You can also get these results on your phone, tablet, or computer because it works in tandem with the WaterLink Solutions Pro app. The app also offers customized treatment recommendations to go along with its findings. And finally, at number 1, we have the AquaChek 7-Way Pool and Spa Test Strips. The AquaChek 7-Way Count is the best option when you want almost instant water quality results. These strips go through rigorous testing against 144 different variables to ensure high accuracy. We like how simple they are to use. Just dip the strip into your pool water and wait 15 seconds for the color to change. You then check it against a color chart on the bottle to know the chemical levels in your pool, plus see what the water needs for better balance. It tests for free chlorine, total chlorine, bromine, pH, alkalinity, cyanuric acid, and hardness. If you test your pool twice a week, recommended, a bottle should last for a year. Refills are available separately.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.